How to change QWERTY keyboard on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change QWERTY keyboard on Android phone. First, then just open your keyboard and then click these 3 points here, and now click settings, and then you will find this one, languages. Click on it and then click on your language, like this one here. Click on it, and as you see here you will find either the keyboard. If you want it, just click on it, and that's it. You can select any keyboard you want and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change QWERTY keyboard on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.